Inside the NuSeal 100 box, you will find 2 large Tyvek pouches, the instructions for use, and 2 small vial adapters. One of the large Tyvek pouches contains the chemical components for NuSeal 100. The instructions for use, or IFU, contain detailed instructions on proper operation of NuSeal 100. 2 sterile vial adapters are also included and are to be used to help mix the chemical components. Lastly, the second large Tyvek pouch contains the blend tip and syringe holder. Inside the first large pouch, you will find a foil pouch and a smaller Tyvek pouch. The small Tyvek pouch contains the buffer syringes, while the foil pouch holds the vials containing the polymeric precursors. The syringes and vials are color-coded to avoid confusion. The second large Tyvek pouch contains 2 smaller Tyvek pouches. The first of the 2 pouches contains 2 pieces, the barrel clip and the plunger cap. The smaller pouch contains the blend connector and 2 small nozzle tips. Begin by removing the tear-off portion of the foil cap. Remove the lure cap from the syringe and attach the syringe to the vial adapter outside of the sterile field. Seat the vial adapter onto the vial by pressing down until the spike penetrates the septum. Slowly depress the plunger to inject the solution. Then grab the vial and syringe firmly and shake for at least 1 minute. When shaking is complete, invert the assembly and slowly draw the solution out of the vial. Then detach the syringe and discard the vial. Begin by removing the tear-off portion of the foil cap. Remove the lure cap from the syringe and attach the syringe to the vial adapter outside of the sterile field. Seat the vial adapter onto the vial by pressing down until the spike penetrates the septum. Slowly depress the plunger to inject the solution. Then grab the vial and syringe firmly and shake for at least 1 minute. When shaking is complete, invert the assembly and slowly draw the solution out of the vial. Then detach the syringe and discard the vial. Before assembling the device, the level of solution in the 2 syringes must be equalized. Begin with the green syringe and advance the plunger to remove any airspace. Make note of the location of the plunger relative to the markings. Be sure to remove any air bubbles trapped in the syringe. Advance the plunger to the same mark as the other syringe. Express the excess solution as needed. Finally, compare the 2 syringes to make sure that they're equal. Locate the lure lock designated with a circle and attach the clear syringe. Attach the green syringe to the other side of the blending connector. Securely attach the syringe holder to the barrels of the syringes. Carefully attach the plunger cap to the plungers. Avoid depressing the plungers and expressing any of the solution. Finally, attach one of the nozzle tips to the end of the device. Firmly and evenly depress the plungers, expressing the first portion away from the wound site. While maintaining pressure on the plungers, move to the wound site and apply a thin coating of approximately 1 to 2 millimeters. If the device becomes clogged and inoperable, remove the clogged nozzle and wipe any gel that has formed on the tip with a small piece of gauze. Attach the second unused nozzle tip and resume application.